The ongoing environment of low rates been weighing heavily on insurance profitability, especially life insurance, with current products suffering the most. But under the Solvency II framework, return on capital is not the only consideration in portfolio allocation strategies. Insurance companies have to find a balance between high return on capital, lower solvency, capital requirement (SGR), and longer duration. In order to boost return, insurers have been vocal about their ongoing shift toward higher rates and less liquid assets, while at the same time being conscious of the capital checks this investment attract. We predict the following alternative asset classes will be insurance. Top 5 for the purpose of optimizing their investment portfolio. Mortgages with attraction of penalizing duration factor. This limited rise investment attract relatively low capital checks, providing insurance with opportunity to invest in on amortizing asset class with a unnatural interest rate hike. Private placement power made products that match the exact needs of both insured and investor are relatively low risk and provide insurers with perfect match for their portfolio on relatively attractive terms. In structured debt, an asset class that is characteristic by a very long duration. The favorable SGR treatment compensates investors for the absence of a secondary market with a heavy liquidity premium, and it can also over some time of sustainability factor. Some companies will also choose the cautiously expand a more capital costly equity portfolio and invest in lower rates corporates. The initial capital market shock triggered by the COVID pandemic revealed that insurance asset portfolios are exposed to such drastic fluctuation. However, they managed to withstand it and quickly bounced back. Equity rise, spike movement, and rating changes were among the main factors that led to a significant drop in asset value. At the beginning of the pandemic, despite this, insurers are still looking to re-risk their portfolio. Resilience in the face of COVID and post-crisis shocks. Insurers have shown remarkable resilience in the face of COVID pandemic. In your view, the life segment struggled the most due to adverse mortality research. The non-life business has shown a strong performance. The result of life were more significantly impacted due to following factors. Insurance have reported losses in the segment on the back of mortality result. The pandemic has had a significant impact on the value of business. Don't forget to watching and share, subscribe, and thank you.